What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best drone on Aliexpress 2022 through extensive research. I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance of its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the drones, I have included link in the description box down before, which are updated for the best price. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with Holystone HS720E 4K GPS drone. It has electric image stabilization that reduces blurring. With a 4K camera and electric image stabilization, it ensures quality full videos and photos. It has powerful and stable brushless motor that works for a long time without burning and makes low noise. It has multiple flight modes including tap fly, stable hovering, follow me, auto return home, and point of interest. In tap fly, the drone will fly along the path you set. The viewer can immerse themselves in the video. You can have a stable hovering because of its double altitude hold technology, optical flow, and air pressure. The Follow Me feature will make the drone follow you automatically no matter where you go. You can enjoy the beauty and landscapes through the app. You can stay free of worry, since it will always return home automatically whenever the battery is low. It will also auto-return home when the signal will be lost or you press one key return. And because of having point of interest, it will orbit around the point you preset. It has modular batteries that are easy to be inserted or pull out, so you can easily switch its batteries. It has 2 intelligent batteries, each of which supports 23 minutes of flight time. You can switch them and have 46 minutes of flight time. In less charging, you will get more flying. Up next, we have XMRC M10 Ultra drone in our list. It has lightweight laser obstacle avoidance. It can detect obstacles and avoid obstacles through the direction of the remote control without fear of complex scenes. It has a feature called Point of Interest Surround 2.0 that makes sure that the aircraft will fly around the selected target, and the camera will always shoot toward the target. It has a Smart Follow feature that allows the aircraft to follow the designated target for flight. It recognizes the target more quickly and accurately and keeps following it continuously. With its amazing GPS performance, it can record the takeoff position before takeoff. You can realize how intelligent its performance is when it will return home with just one button. It can return home automatically when the signal is lost. This drone is equipped with 5 kilometers image transmission. It provides pictures that are far and clear enough to give you a panoramic view of the poem and the distance. It has true electronic image stabilization 3-axis anti-gimbal. This amazing gimbal lets you record real 4K or 30 frames per second video and shoot 3840 by 2160 pixel ultra-clear photos and picture details that are vividly embodied. With a 3800 mAh battery capacity, it will give you about 30 minutes of operating time so that you can have lots of fun. The very next drone we have is Oike Faith 2 4K professional drone. It has GPS-assisted flight, and this feature provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. It has built-in return-to-home function for safer fly. The drone will automatically return home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. You won't have to worry about losing the drone. Its brush motor is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required. Its orbit mode lets the drone fly in a circle around a set waypoint and make sure you get panorama pictures and video. It has altitude hold mode, 1 key takeoff, and 1 key landing for easier operation. These features make it easy to control and perfect for both beginners and pro pilots. With gesture photo or video mode, you can break the old way of taking photos and find the fresh new thing by making gestures to record your beauty. The drone will automatically follow and capture you wherever you move with its Follow Me mode, keeping you in the frame at all times. It makes the process easier to get complex shots, providing hands-free flying and selfie. It has a high capacity of 3100 mAh. Intelligent battery yields up to 35 minutes of flight time. Furthermore, we have Hubsan Zino Se 4000 drone. This mini camera drone features a powerful 4K camera that can capture stunning footage at Ultra HD resolution. With its high resolution and awesome lens, this camera captures stunning panoramas with ease. The Hubsan Zino Se 4K camera mini drone orbits for hours, capturing stunning footage with its 4K camera. It's easy to control and perfect for capturing high-quality videos and pictures of your every adventure. It is a great drone for beginner pilots and experienced filmmakers alike. With its light tracking technology, the drone can keep track of whatever you're filming, even in tough conditions. This drone has an automatic return home feature that will keep it safely brought back to your location. With its fail-safe system, you can be assured that even if you lose control of the drone, it will return safely back to you. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth, stable filming and imaging, even in difficult or windy conditions. The intuitive controls make it easy to get great shots without having to be a professional photographer. With its compact size and advanced features, this drone is small and powerful at the same time. Its small size makes it easy to take with you wherever you go. With a 40-minute battery life, this drone is perfect for capturing all of your adventures. We can finish it up with DJI Mini 2 4K drone. It weighs less than 249 grams, which is as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. It is compact, convenient, and perfect travel companion. Whether you're shooting at a deserted beach or capturing the details of a fun family reunion, Mini 2 can handle it all. So, don't go to its size. It may be small, but it's mighty. It can resist 29 to 38 km/h winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters. Along with 4K by 30 frames per second video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, it ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. There's no need to get so close for your dream shot because it has 4x zoom. The DJI Fly app features intelligent, built-in photo optimization. The app can automatically enhance image quality after downloading a photo. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, DJI Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose perfect shots. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys later.